Hey, good afternoon. I just want to say how pleased we are with our new Renewal by Andersen windows. This is the biggest one of our installation. Uh, while I did have while I did have some sticker shock on the pricing, I do believe the overall price for the service, sales, warranty, cleanliness is top notch, as I'm calling it, triple A plus. Okay, the installers, even with this tape, where are we at here? Even with this tape here, so that we can paint our walls and our trim separately, is a class act. So, good job, you guys. Very few discrepancies were handled quickly, and I appreciate it. I think my wife and I, of course, my wife and I will recommend Renewal by Andersen to any of our friends that may be in the remodel business. Okay. Thank you again. Love the light. I wish I could flip my camera around to show you the rest, but like I said, this was the biggest one of them all and absolutely beautiful. Thank you.